Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus iQOO Z5 device. And this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to compare both phones side by side and let's see which phone can actually open these applications and these games faster. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So first let's do the basic restart test. So is a reboot test which I'm going to do right now first, and let's see. Once after the restart I'll try to show you exactly what kind of Wi-Fi connection I'm trying to connect. And the Realme X1 Max comes with a Dimensity 1200 and the Snapdragon 778G processor with the enhanced LPDDR5 RAM and enhanced UFS storage 3.1. That's what the iQOO they did announce. So which is completely kind of next level it would be there. That's what they mean. But let's see in the practical what is happening. So in terms of opening speed, so which phone can actually open them fast? That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And very soon I'll try to compare with other smartphones as well, which I do have right now. So make sure to stay tuned for those plenty of other comparisons. So which definitely I'll try to do with iQOO Z3 and Poco X3 Pro and other smartphones as well in terms of the comparisons as well. So which phone to buy? And right now I'll try to connect to the 2.4 gigahertz because that's what the connection both phones are exactly. So both phones are 2.4 gigahertz. That's perfectly done. So clearing everything from the background, so all the apps are completely clean, and I'm trying to use the external RAM capabilities as well. In both phones I did turn on. You can clearly see here external RAM is turned on in both phones. That's another thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all. And these are the applications and games which I thought of doing as a speed test. It is very basic simple speed test only, friends. I did not include any kind of much big complicated games. So just in basic only I thought of starting. Let's see which phone can actually have the really good RAM management. So iQOO Z5 is just a day one of usage. This phone I'm trying to use for the past few months. So even you can take that into the consideration in terms of the speeds. And Amazon slightly took some time to load in the iQOO Z5, a little bit time. What? I think there's some Wi-Fi connection or what? Let me to connect to the Wi-Fi. Yes, it's connected to the 2.4 gigahertz, but I'm not sure what has happened. So let me try to come back and clear, and I'll try to open the Amazon application again. 1 2 3, let's see what happens now. Yes, no problem. And let's open any kind of mobile. Let's go to the mobile phones or somewhere and let's see. I'll try to keep some phone in the background as a RAM management. That's what I'm trying to do exactly. So right now I'm trying to keep this phone in the background as a RAM management. Let's check the Flipkart. Both phones did open at same pace as I can see. Next is the touch sampling rate application, and I'm trying to draw some lines to keep them in the background as a RAM management. So just for the RAM management only I'm trying to do this kind of testing. And next is a Battlegrounds mobile game. Let's see, now the game starts. So till the applications nothing much huge difference between both devices, but the games will be definitely impacting a little bit more. So Dimensity 1200 gonna win, or Snapdragon 778G with the enhanced version gonna win 1 2 and 3. So it's going to be really interesting, and I'm not using any kind of game enhancement. There is no monster mode, there is no performance mode, nothing is enabled. Just simple games and applications only. The first phone to show the logo is iQOO Z5, and the Realme X1 Max still taking some time to load. So without any kind of high performance mode, nothing at all, friends. So don't get confused. So no high performance mode is enabled during this process. I'm not sure why it got logged out. Let me log in again. Sometimes it happens, I'm not sure. Just before this video also I did try. So I did log in, but again the account got logged out for some reason. Let me try to keep that in the background. And let me try to try again. Let's see this time. So this time I'm trying to try again. Let's see now what happens, which phone can actually open the game faster. So this is one thing which I did notice, friends, in the iQOO Z5. It was quite fast. I mean, in terms of the usage, I didn't feel like I'm using the Snapdragon 778G processor. So that's another thing which I thought of mentioning. In the performance segment, this iQOO Z5 can do some miracles. I think so. It's kind of initial impressions only. Not based upon the speed or anything, but based upon the initial impressions with the gameplay and everything, performance, it seems to be kind of slightly kind of more. So Subway Surf loaded first in the iQOO Z5, and Temple Run, let's say the Temple Run game, which phone can actually load first. Temple Run game, both phones at same pace only, nothing much difference. Tomorrow I'll try to come with the 5 heavy games: Call of Duty, Genshin Impact, Free Fire, and all of those games, Standoff 2 and plenty of other games. So stay tuned for those videos. So both phones did show at same time Candy Crush. Let's see Angry Birds 2. So this is the final game which I'm going to try for today, and then I'll try to test the RAM management. How is the RAM management in handling in both phones? FunTouch UI versus the Realme UI. And here comes the iQOO Z5. Did open the Angry Birds 2 first, then the Realme X1 Max twice. So in terms of the speed test in the games, most of the time I think iQOO Z5 was able to open faster. And Battlegrounds mobile game and the Angry Birds 2, these two games there's a huge difference. I mean, few seconds difference is there between both phones. In Subway Surf, there's not a huge difference, I would say. And now let's check the RAM management. I did open all the games and completely everything same as it is. You can clearly see here everything I did open exactly as it is. And now let's start from the back side. So we'll try to come from the back. Temple Run till here it was good, no problem. Battlegrounds mobile game also great. Both phones were able to show as it is, very fast, instant reaction is there. And next is a Play Store. Is a Play Store 1, 2, 3. So Play Store did not get reloaded. This page got reloaded in the Realme X1 Max. This page, but in the iQOO Z5 did not get reloaded. Exactly as it is, it did show. Next is the touch sampling rate. Is a touch sampling rate application, and let's see 1, 2, and 3. Boom. The lines completely gone. So there's nothing lines in the RAM management, but iQOO Z5 was able to store these lines in the background RAM management. This application is completely there. So in the RAM management segment, maybe the iQOO Z5 might have really good advantage. If you're looking for this kind of powerful chipset, maybe friends, this phone might have that kind of features, but let's see. So this flip card, both phones are exactly showed as it is. No issues with the flip card. Just give me 48 hours with this iQOO Z5, then I can definitely understand capabilities of this phone. Is it powerful enough or not? So next is Amazon, and 1, 2, 3, boom. Exactly same page, same the Samsung Galaxy M52 page. It's there. So no issues in terms of the loading, nothing at all. Wow. Finally, Google Chrome. It did not get reload at all. So overall, friends, iQOO Z5 was able to store completely all games and all applications in the RAM management. If you want, I can try the Angry Birds again. Let's see which phone can actually load this Angry Birds. Let's see 1, 2, because you can see the multitasking clearly. You can see. Okay, I'm not passing any video, nothing at all. The Realme X1 Max gone in from the multitasking. It's not there in the RAM management. You can clearly see here. Now I'm going to open the Candy Crush as well in the RAM management. Let's see. So RAM 1, 2, 3. It's not there in the RAM management. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. It's a quick comparison between both phones. I hope you understand. And in terms of the speeds, right now the iQOO Z5 was able to handle slightly better speeds in terms of opening speeds. So without using any high performance mode. If you use high performance mode and monster mode, which is present in this phone, maybe things might be different. But definitely that video I'll try to do very soon. Stay tuned for those videos, friends. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Signing off. Bye.